Please, join us. Please. How are you, Mr. Hong? Admiral Hong. Yes. Oh, very young. Maybe you're very bright also. How are you? Han? Let's go. Please have a seat. You know, my wife is a #1 fan of Korea. Yeah. First, she's an athlete. Taekwondo. Tawagin si Daini. Andiyan yata si Daini. My brother-in-law is champion. Taekwondo. Uncle started the Taekwondo in the Philippines with Mr. Hong. Are you related to Mr. Hong? No. He's a Korean guy, migrated in the Philippines, and introduced Taekwondo in the Philippines. The first gymnasium in the country of Taekwondo is my wife's property. Oh, ayun, ito, mahilig to sa Korean novela. Oh, this is my wife. Sabi ko, Taekwondo, kayo magkakapatid. My sister-in-law has the biggest Taekwondo gym in LA. Really? Ilan dan na ba si ate? Fourth? Fifth dan.
I can't remember.
Fifth dan doon? Very good kimchi jjigae. Saka ano yung beef stew?
Kalbichi.
Kalbichi. I always eat every other week. Kimchi jjigae and the beef stew. Very good. But I'm afraid. Because I always make peace. Taekwondo. I catch criminal. I don't afraid with criminals, but I'm afraid with my wife. Wife is always right. Happy wife, happy life.
한국도 거의 동일한 문화입니다.
I think Korea also has the same culture, happy wife, happy life.
이제 12월 18일 날 저희가 한국에 복귀하는데 여기 있는 모든 기혼 남성들이 떨고 있습니다.
And actually, all the husbands in this room right now, since we will be going back to Korea on December 18th, they are afraid.
왜냐하면 우리도 와이프 만나야 되니까.
Because they have to meet their wives again.
Why are parents to be happy? You say, Pagashimaya.
You know, she watches Korean movies and telenovela from 7 p.m. to 4 a.m.
드라마를 굉장히 많이 봅니다.
I sleep alone. Ano yung mga palabas na na-finish mo na lahat?
Because I like Imin Ho. I even have a pillow of Imin Ho. Looking at me.
Saka yung iba pa, yung mga babae, mga magagaling na Korean actress.
Yang Sohee. PSJ na. Song Kang.
So I opened Korea because of her. I go to Korea because of her. We have a...
Oh my God! I gotta show you.
You show. I like going to Korea.
No, because before we
I like
attended
the
the
food.
Asian Games, it was held in Busan.
Yes.
And then there's a tour where we had to wear the national costume. And then everyone who's in line thought I was also Korean, and they wanted to have a picture with me instead of wearing the whole costume. Give me a few minutes, I'll show you.
Saka yung picture
the mayor of Busan
natin,
thought I was Korean.
yung castle, nasa castle. Tapos we went to this island,
In Nami Island.
Nami Island. I went to Nami Island.
남이섬에
Oh, Nami Island. Nami Island. The other city also, the new city.
I think we should go back. We wanted to spend Christmas there,
In
but
Korea,
there's
this Christmas.
there's not enough flight for the
No more
Christmas.
flights.
그 시즌에 딱 비행기표가 많지 않아서 가시게 됐거든요.
I seldom do vacation. Yeah, very seldom.
그때 휴가를 많이
Always here, so they always go. Me, alone. Lonely husband.
휴가를 갑니다.
No, that's not.
So, did you, ano nga ba yung atraka sa English? Dock in Manila Bay? In Manila Hotel?
Port. Manila Port.
Manila Port. That's beside the Manila Hotel.
Manila Hotel 옆에 있는 항구입니다.
It's a very good hotel. A very historical hotel, especially during those challenging times in the 40s. That's where General Douglas MacArthur used to stay, that area. And our Navy is also located in Manila. They gave me that, this one.
호셀이자?
New,
호셀이자라는 yes.
I think,
이게 한국에서 만들었습니다.
So this ship was built in Korea.
I was told it was a Korean-made ship.
Yes. 현대.
Oh, yeah. See?
아니 아까 저한테 어려 보이신다는데 시장님이야말로 정말 너무 어려 보이 젊어
that I
보이시죠.
look young, but you look younger, sir.
사모님께서 되게 잘해주시는 거예요.
I think your wife is really good.
And during my first term in 2019 and 22, I created the Koreatown.
제첫 임기 첫 번째 해 2019년부터 22년도까지 제가 코리아타운을 만들었습니다.
Yeah. I dedicated a space in Ermita Malate area where Korean immigrants can do business and live within the
한국인들이 거기 거주하면서 이제 사업을 할 수 있도록 그 공간을 내어줬습니다.
That's our initiative at the time. It's like Chinatown before,
코리아타운을 만드는
and there is a Koreatown. The next goal is I'm going to create Halal Town for our Muslim brothers and sisters here in the Eastern Board. Yeah, a lot of Korea businesses, because of what we did, a lot of Korean businesses went to Manila.
한국인들이 마닐라에서 사업을 하고 있습니다.
We're trying to revive it again, to put things
이제 다시 할 수 있도록 시작할 수 있도록
in order, because in my absence, I retired. Actually, I'm already retired.
이미
Retired. No more.
전역을 했습니다.
In 2019, 2022, after 2022, I retired.
2022년 이후에 이제 그만뒀었는데
But the people asked for me to go back, elected me overwhelmingly
와달라고 요청을 했었어가지고
in, I think, of all history of Manila's politics with that kind of mandate. Then I went to Koreatown and asked how they doing. They feel bad about what happened in my absence, and I assured them, even the ambassador, to really don't worry, we'll put things in right order.
사람들이 다시 와달라고 하기도 했고 제가 코리아타운에 가서 이제 물어보니까 사람들이 굉장히 좀 많이 슬퍼하기도 해서 이제 다시 돌아오겠습니다. 대사님도 힘써주셨고
Batang admiral to. Ang galing. Talino to. Very bright. Usually admiral, they're very old already.
보시면은 굉장히 나이가 많으신
You're 49, I guess. 49, 50.
49대.
49.
Oh, I'm 51.
저는 51세.
74, you're 76.
Papa, it's Korean skincare.
Tay, very expensive. So how long you been here in the country?
얼마 정도
The visit.
4일 머물고 내일 모레 오전 10시 출항합니다.
So we will stay here for 4 days and we will be departing on Thursday.
저희 순항훈련에 대해서 간략히 제가 소개를 좀 시켜드리겠습니다.
So I will give you a brief introduction of our cruise training pastor.
대한민국에는 필리핀과 다르게 육해공군 사관학교가 따로 있고 저희는 해군 사관학교입니다.
So in Korea, unlike the Philippines, we have a naval academy for Army, Air Force, and Navy.
4년제이고 마지막 4학년 때 가을에 석 달 동안 순항훈련이라는 걸 실시합니다.
And so for the Naval Academy, we have 4 years, and in the last year of the midshipman, so the senior midshipman goes to the cruise training for in the fall season for about 3 months.
올해는 인도태평양 지역의 국가들을 105일 동안 방문하고 9개국 10기항을 방문하고 마닐라가 마지막 항공입니다.
So for this year cruise training, we visit the areas in the Indo-Pacific region. So we visited 9 countries and 10 ports, and this is our last port of call.
그리고 이제 가장 중요한 거는 이때 그 4학년 사관생도들에 대한 교육훈련입니다.
And the most important thing is that the education and training of the senior midshipmen.
필리핀 마닐라에 방문한 한 중요한 이유 중에 하나는 올해도 75년을 맞는 6.25 기념입니다. 보훈입니다.
So one of the main reasons why we visited Manila, Philippines is since this year marks the 75th anniversary of the outbreak of the Korean War. And so we have prioritized Veterans Affairs.
내일 우리는 사관생도 총원하고 지휘부가 6.25 참전기를 가서 헌화하고 참배하는 시간을 있습니다.
And tomorrow we will be having our red laying ceremony in the Korean War Memorial in Manila. So all of our midshipmen and the cruise training task group will be going there.
75년 전에 이름도 잘 알려지지 않는 대한민국을 위해서 참전 용사들을 보내준 필리핀에 대해서 순항훈련 전단을 대표하고 우리 대한민국 국민들 모두는 굉장히 큰 감사를 갖고 있습니다.
And we are very grateful for the active support that the Philippines extended to Republic of Korea. Even in that 75 years ago, Korea was a very unknown country, but the Philippines helped out a lot. So we are very grateful for that. And on behalf of the cruise training task group, I'm very grateful.
또 미래 대한민국 해군의 주역인 사관생도들에게 이러한 보훈에 대한 것들을 잘 교육시키고 양국 간의 교류 협력이 더욱더 증진되길 바라겠습니다.
And I hope to increase the exchange and cooperation between the two countries, and I will also educate our future naval officers, our midshipmen, about the Veterans Affairs.
또 필리핀하고 한국 해군은 어느 국가보다도 굉장히 우호 관계가 치밀하고 방금도 필리핀 함대사령관을 만나고 왔는데 올해 6월달에 한국에서 뵀었던 제독이었습니다.
And actually, the Philippines Navy and the Republic of Korea Navy has a very close and strong relationship and bond. And actually, I just met the fleet commander, Rear Admiral Joe Orbe, just now. I also met him last June.
그리고 마지막으로 이제 한국하고 필리핀의 교육의 상징이라고 할 수 있는 각 학년별로 필리핀 해군사관생들이 저희 학교에 교육받고 있습니다.
And also, one of the biggest symbolization of our exchange and cooperation. Every year, our midshipmen has Philippine Navy cadets. They came. They are exchange cadets. Yes, so.
그래서 지금 이제 졸업을 앞두고 있는 레무엘 생도를 좀 잠깐 보시죠.
And we also came with Lemuel here.
Good afternoon, everyone.
Taga saan ka sa atin?
From Compostela, Davao de Oro.
Stella, down south.
Yes, sir. I am proud native indigenous people of Mindanao. Also, I am so last 3 months of my journey with the Koreans. It was one of the greatest journey with them because I realized one thing for sure, and that is the Philippines give me the identity, but the Koreans give me the discipline, the training, and the most important, and all of the things that need to be becoming a competitive Filipino officer. And for that, I will always be grateful for the Philippine government and for the Korean government.
And that is something that you need to share to our fellow Navy men.
Yes, sir.
이제 해군사관학교에서 배운 것을 또 이제 필리핀 해군 장병들에게 또 많이 나눠줬으면 좋겠습니다.
Did you know that I wanted to be a ship captain?
사실 저도 함장을 하고 싶어 했습니다.
My dreams, I grew up very poor.
저는 굉장히
In the slum
어려운
area.
집안에서 자랐습니다.
I eat leftovers
그 남은
from the garbage.
먹고 이제
Not metaphor, but literal. So my dream is to be a ship captain. So I studied midshipman. I took PSMT, Bachelor of Science in Marine Technology, in PMI, Philippine Maritime Institute.
연구소에서
I work in daytime. In the afternoon, I go to school.
일을 하고 야간에 이제 학교를 다니고
But God intervened. I got discovered as an actor.
근데 갑자기 이제 배우의 길을 가게 되었어요.
All of a sudden,
Promise.
that's true.
It's true. So at 18 years old, I was introduced to television,
기회가 돼서 이제 TV에 나오게 됐습니다.
and after a while, I decided, after 5 years, decided to be of service to the people. At a very young age, I started 23.
사람들을 위해서 일을 해야겠다는 생각이 들었습니다.
Youngest councilor ever elected in the city of Manila.
마닐라 가장 어린 공사로
Youngest vice mayor ever elected in the city of
가장
Manila.
어린 부시장도
And youngest vice mayor elect in the city of Manila.
가장 어린 시장도 하고 있습니다.
Correct. So I've been doing public service for the past 28 years.
그래서 지난 28년 동안 공공을 위해서 일을 하고 있습니다.
From national to local also. All my life, always public service.
그래서 제 인생의 거의 대부분을 공공을 위해서 일을 하고 있습니다.
And I like catching criminals.
그리고 저는 범죄자를 잡는 것을 굉장히 좋아합니다.
Put them to jail to keep my people safe.
저희 국민들을
The good thing about it, with my experience, I grew up in the street.
저는 이제 길바닥에서 이제 자랐기 때문에 어려운 환경에서
And build a better city for the next generation.
시를 만드는 것이 저희
Busan, ano ba? Busan, Seoul, ano yung katabi ng isang city pa? There's another city that I went to.
부산이랑 서울이랑 또 한 가지 도시가 더
It's
있어요.
another city.
Pumunta ka sa DMC before.
The DMC in honor of the Korean War with our fellow South Korean soldier, as a matter of respect to the South Korean soldier and to our veterans. So that's why I went. I went down the tunnel, DMZ,
DMZ를 방문했었어요. 거기 가서 이제 터널을
and to know my history on how Koreans, Republic of Korea, and Filipino soldiers dedicated their life protecting democracy.
필리핀 국민들과 한국 국민들이 민주주의를 수호하기 위해
So, by blood, in a way, we have some level of deep relationship. Filipino soldiers pay the price, Korean soldiers pay the price side by side.
필리핀 장병들도 그렇고 한국 장병들도
I'm speaking about your Korean, not the other Korean.
저희
And I'm really So I offered my respect visiting the area.
이제 꼭 방문을 해야겠다고 생각을 해서
I went down in the tunnel because the other side keep on digging and sneaking to Seoul. I went there. It's really hard. You have to ride the elevator. I think sitting down. Then you can walk, but you have to kasi
Yes.
tama yung, it's like when they do this.
It's so Pinoy.
No, I was thinking of AK-47. They're doing this with the AK-47 because they wanted to cross Seoul. And we keep on planning. But anyway, I just went there to pay my respect to South Korean soldiers and Filipino soldiers, our veterans. And I saw the wall, the honor wall. There's a list of names. And I was inspired by General Park attitude during the time that he wanted to create a highway from Busan to Seoul, Seoul to Busan. And Korea at the time is having financial difficulty. But President Park then, who is a visionary military man, did not, paawat. Inawat niya sir.
Stop himself.
Oh, yeah. Push through because
with his vision of
I think if I'm not mistaken, he was talking to Mr. Hyundai or the other guy. And the guy said, I cannot build the highway because I have to cross all the mountains. And it's very expensive, the contractor said. Then all of a sudden, President Park then rode the helicopter, bring the contractor. Oh, you tell me where. You want me to clear this to make it cheaper? Yeah. He bombed all those mountains with all the remnants of the war and created that line. And that's the rest is history. I saw the old pictures of Seoul and it is a farmland, but now you'll never see the progress that it brought. So sometimes one decision can sometimes small and one decision can alter the course of the country. It's all about mindset. And the rest is history. Everyone got inspired. Unfortunately, he died, but I think he did a good job, especially during those trying times. A little of copying some good attitude and mindset of different leaders like Lee Kuan Yew of Singapore, Mr. Park of Korea. So where are you going after this? Are you official? Do you have still official?
배로 돌아가서 그냥 항상 준비해.
So we will be going back to our ship and we will be preparing our on-board reception.
사실 이제 야외에서 하려고 천막을 쳐놨는데 비가 지금 갑자기 내려가지고 천막을 벗고 실내 행사를 전환을 하고 있습니다.
Actually, our on-board reception usually takes place on our deck, so it's outdoor event. But actually, it rained a lot today, so we had to put away all the things that we installed. So we will be holding our reception on inside the ship.
여기 있는 주요 간부들이 가서 부대원들이 안전하게 준비할 수 있도록 점검하고 체크를 좀 해야겠습니다.
And so our key officers here should go back to the ship and check the safety and how the event is being.
You should visit, I don't know, you're just nearby. I don't know if you still have time, you visit Intramuros.
아직 시간 있으시면
Just across the street.
한번 방문해
The wall.
추천드립니다.
It was designed for naval warfare in the early times
초기에 좀 만들어진 장소라서
to protect the city. The Spanish trying to protect the city that they occupied by pointing all the cannons towards Manila Bay for the other country's navy. It's a good story.
많은 역사적
Oh, good. Go around. Go to Fort Santiago. Ano yung pinuntahan ko ng isang araw? Centro
de Turismo.
should. It's a new museum. A very good museum. A very new museum.
새롭게 만들어진 박물관도 있는데
All in Intramuros.
인트라무로스 돼 있습니다.
We have oldest church in Asia. San Agustin. A lot of story. Manila is a very old city, but we have a lot of story to tell. That's one of our greatest assets. And by its very nature, we are very good in the sea because it is innate in our blood to cross islands. So our forefathers are really very good in navigation. I'm happy for him. He's learning the technology made by your country, innovation. But it is in our blood that we are seamen by force of nature. That's why when you see abroad in a commercial vessel, you see a lot of Filipino.
상선들을 보면 필리핀 사람들을 많이 보는 것 같은데 저희는 약간 자연스럽게 이렇게 태어나기를 이렇게 해군이나 뭐 바다로 가려고 태어난 사람들이 있습니다.
That's one of our great assets in with regard to ocean and seas. So at that time, we don't have anything but to cross by 7,100 islands.
7,100개의 섬들을 계속 건넜어야 했기 때문에.
And we are very good in ship.
Only the US Navy consider Philippines.
Yeah. That's why MacArthur really likes his Filipino soldiers because so anyway, I'm honored, Admiral. Thank you very much for your time and your men, the men and women of your team. Thank you very much. You visited us. We are very grateful. And I hope you learned something also with your trip here in the Philippines. And we're very happy with your presence on military perspective. We're very happy. I, as Filipino. It helped us some level of comfort. You guys coming in and out of the country. Your presence is, I cannot speak of others, but in a bigger picture, I feel comfortable. You guys
입항을 해주셨는데 사실 이렇게 그냥 존재 자체만으로도 굉장히 큰 위안이 되는 것 같습니다. 그래서 보내주셔서 정말 감사합니다.
So welcome to Manila. And for that, I will give you something. This is one way of saying you're always welcome here. Come, Admiral, please. Admiral, this is the key to the city. symbol of you're always welcome to the city of Manila. You can open City Hall because you have the key already. Okay, thank you. And every time you eat in the deck, in the cabin, or what you call camarote, you will be reminded of your visit in Manila because this is the placemat. This is our culture in the past. Placemat.
네, 여기 이제 테이블보 앞에
네.
테이블 매트입니다.
So, thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you very much.
이거는 대한민국 해군 전통 함포입니다.
So this is a traditional naval gunfire of Rock Navy.
이 포를 통해서 마닐라가 더욱더 안전하고 또 시장님의 정책들이 잘 펼쳐지길 기도하겠습니다.
And I will pray that Manila stays safe with this gunfire, and also you could put on your policies as well.
Thank you. You'll see a lot more of that tomorrow when you go to Intramuros.
네, 인트라무로스 가시면 이런 비슷한 것들 많이 보실 것 같아요.
Thank you. Thank you very much. Oh wait, I'll put it in very close to my
가깝게
There you go. Thank you very much. Katabi sila. Korean made. Korean made.
근데 이거는 한국 전통 가옥 모양의 캔들입니다.
And this is a candle.
Oh, my
in the
wife
shade
would love it.
of the
He likes
Korean
candles.
traditional house.
Thank you, thank you. Thank you, thank you. That's so sweet naman. Oh, there you go.
그리고 이제 우리 모자하고
See?
This is our
All
cap.
those cap, give it to me.
이게 이제 대한민국 해군 80주년을 기념하는 마크입니다.
And this symbolizes the 80th anniversary of the foundation of Rock Navy.
The symbol is 80 anniversary to Rock Navy.
Yeah. Okay. Thank you.
Yeah, visiting country and we are here in the last port. 9 countries.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you very much. Thank you. So put it here. This is also from the Navy.
이것도 해군 측에서 왔었던 건데.
Ito naman binigay nila sa akin. See?
Yes.
From Coast Guard.
네, 해경 측으로부터 받은 코인입니다.
Yeah, I collect those.
저도 이제 모으고 있습니다, 코인을.
Thank you. Oh, see? Oh, Navy na. 안녕하세요. Thank you. Halika, iatid namin kayo. Consent you. Meron silang banda kanina? Yes. Okay, iatid sila sa baba. Oh, galingan mo ha.